Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super easy reverse easel card using Box of Sunshine number 1. For today's project, I decided to use elements from Box of Sunshine number 1. As you can see, I fussy cut all of them and there are so many in the box. And there are such a big variety of beautiful shapes and flowers you can use for any project. Now I've got my card base and I'm going to fold and use my bone folder to burnish that fold, and this way we've got super easy card base for our project. Now I'm going to create 4 panels using white card and then slightly bigger square that will go inside the card, and using Box of Sunshine papers I created slightly smaller panels that will go on top of the white panels. Now, to add a little bit more interest to my project, I decided to use my scissors to distress every single edge. I absolutely love that technique and I think it really adds to all your projects. As you can see, this is super simple. You don't really need very specific tools to do it. Literally a blade of your scissors and you will have beautiful vintage effect. I wonder, have you ever done that in your card making or paper crafting projects? And I'm going to do exactly the same with all the beautiful panels from Box of Sunshine number 1. I also wanted to tell you that on Saturday I will have very special video, so stay tuned for that because you definitely don't want to miss it. And also in the description down below I left all the links to beautiful Box of Sunshine YouTube channel at the moment because there is a new one, and there's also Instagram account, and then you can actually share all your makes using hashtags, and all the information is in the description down below, so please check it out. I also left links to dropofsunshine.art blog for this beautiful project, and all the information to Marta's YouTube channel, her box on eBay, literally everything you need to know. Now, I decided to add a little bit more color to my project to add even more interest and distress look. And for this, I'm going to use Distress Oxide ink in Wilted Violet. And as you can see, I'm using my glass mat just to put a little bit of ink there, and using my ink blending tool, add all that colors on the edges. And I think it really adds to your project. And do you do it with your card making? Or maybe you do it with any other projects? Please let me know. And it would be absolutely amazing if you can tell me if you actually made a reverse easel card, or do you prefer to make Z-fold cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now, when all those are ready and colored, then I'm going to assemble them using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because this way I will make sure that everything is adhered properly and it will be stuck forever. Now, when all the panels are ready, the trickiest part always is to think where to put them on a card. And just to make sure that this card is even more special, I'm also going to adhere the panels not only inside but also outside. And this way our card will be really beautiful. Do you do that as well with your cards, or do you just embellish the front? Please let me know. Now, as you can see, I always check if my mechanism works, because I really want to make sure that it is beautifully and professionally done and the recipient will really enjoy this card. And you can use any adhesive that you want. You can also use double-sided tape to adhere all those panels. However, for this one I just wanted to use liquid glue because I will make sure that everything will be stuck beautifully. Now, we've got our base done and decorated. Now we have to create that easel panel, and for that I'm going to use Gemini cutting die called Floral Fretwork. And as you can see, it comes with the outer edge, decorative element, and 2 smaller elements. And I'm going to die cut all of them. 3 of them will be from white card, and the smallest one will be from one of the papers from Box of Sunshine. You probably can't really see it on the camera here, but in real life the color is really beautiful, especially on the small element. And just to make sure that all my elements match beautifully, I decided to use the same Distress Oxide ink and ink blending tool to add that color on all the edges. And with the biggest panel, I decided to use ink blending tool to add the color on the whole panel, because I wanted to have that purple/violet everywhere I can. Now, to make it even more special, I took one of the panels from the Box of Sunshine. As you can see, it has a really beautiful oval. And I thought, yes, let's put it on our easel card, because why not? It is so beautiful and it matches with all those elements we created earlier. And I thought, yes, let's do it. It has beautiful shape, so why not? As you can see, it will go on top of our easel element, and again, I'm going to use my Wilted Violet to add that color on all the edges. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of Box of Sunshine, it is in the top right corner, so you can check it out if you're interested. Now, again, I'm going to assemble all those panels together, which is super quick and easy. And if you have never ever created a reverse easel card, I really hope you'll feel inspired to do it. Super simple. You literally need a card blank, score one of the sides in half, burnish, and your card base is done. Then you can add any elements that you want. And actually, to be honest, Box of Sunshine #1, it is perfect for it because it has so many beautiful elements. To add more dimension to my panel here, I decided to use double-sided foam adhesive. And to make it even more dimensional, I decided to have 4 layers of double-sided tape for that beautiful circular floral element. And this way, it really stands out. You probably can't really see it in the video, but in real life, it really makes a difference. And I wonder, how often do you add double-sided foam adhesive to your elements? Do you just do it for the sentiments or also other elements? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm using my pokey tool to peel off the backing of the tape, and again I'm using my totally favorite magic glue, liquid glue, and our panel is done. What do you think about this? Would you like to give it a go? I really hope you will. Now, the trickiest part is actually to decide where to put your panel. So then we need to have stopper. And this is very crucial because you don't want your card to lie down or just stand like 90 degrees. So you have to figure out where to put the stopper, so actually this card can be displayed either on a shelf, on a desk, or anywhere else. Now, to add even more interest, I decided to add those beautiful leaves from Box of Sunshine #1, add a little bit of double-sided foam adhesive on the back of the smaller elements, and then, yes, I really had to add those beautiful tiny flowers because they add so much to the project. And also, I left the link to Marta's Buy Me a Coffee website, where she actually shares some of her free designs, so you can check them out if you're interested. And please don't forget that on Saturday I will have a very special video for you, so stay tuned for that. Now, to add more dimension to the stopper for our reverse easel card, I decided to use double-sided foam adhesive because this way our panel will actually stay there and it won't move. As you can see, super quick and easy. And the very last thing we have to do is to add few gems. And I decided to use those beautiful lilac gems around the sentiment and in the corners at the bottom of the card. And please let me know, what do you think about this card? Would you like to give it a go? Or do you like the color combo? I really want to know. I really hope this video inspires you to create something beautiful today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you in my next video. Bye!